Good to see you as well.
Amazing. We recently just bought a new home, and of course we were very excited.
You guys are in for a real treat.
Yep, and just a little bit nervous. Do you remember at the time that the basement flooded?
Yeah, that was fun.
Don't put firewood in the garage. Bugs. Big bugs. They will get into your house and into your bed.
So Sam forgot to switch the battery in the smoke detector, which is like really dangerous.
Yeah, all right.
We didn't even know that our kitchen was on fire. Oh, it was so avoidable.
You want me to swim to the shutoff?
To be fair, this never would have happened if we ordered sushi.
Owning a home can be scary.
I want them to leave.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be. Get your household organized. Get maintenance alerts and reminders. Save time, money, and avoid costly repairs.